Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I've brought a very tasty Turkish food recipe. It's an Adana Kebab recipe and Turkish people like to eat it a lot. So I've made it easier for you to make it at home. And if you're a food lover, you will absolutely going to love this recipe. So for this recipe, I've taken minced chicken about 100 grams and I've placed it into a beater. And before beating it, I'm gonna place some of the vegetables. Like I've taken capsicum and onion. So I've chopped some capsicum, like about one capsicum, and with that I've taken red chilies. These chilies are dried ones, not the chili powder or something. So with that, I've taken some onions. Like I've taken one onion of medium size and I've chopped it as well. Moving on to the next part, I've taken some ginger and some garlic and I've made a paste out of it. I'm taking it about 1 tablespoon. You can also take the paste that's available in any supermarket that's already made. And I'm taking green chili about 3 teaspoons. Now I'm going to move to the masalas portion. I'm going to add red chili powder about 1 tablespoon, and I'm going to add coriander powder about 1 tablespoon, and with that I'm going to add garam masala half tablespoon. So I've added red chili powder and coriander powder 1 tablespoon and garam masala half tablespoon, and you can add salt according to your taste. I've added like half tablespoon, and I'm taking gram flour about 1 cup. It's also available on any supermarket. You can just go and buy this stuff easily at supermarket. I'm gonna add oil 1/4 cup as well. And now all the ingredients are done. So I'm going to chop all these ingredients with the help of this chopper. While I'm chopping these ingredients, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button. Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you'll see a bell icon. Hit it and you will be updated by my latest videos. Let's come back to the recipe. What we're going to do is that we're going to chop all these ingredients quite finely so that our mixture or the batter for the kebab is finely chopped, and it's going to make easy for your kebab to be made. So once our batter is chopped completely, we're gonna take this batter out of the chopper. Now you can see it's completely chopped. None of the vegetables are being shown, and the vegetables and all the masalas are mixed completely. Now we're going to take it out and we're gonna make kebab of it. Adana kebab or Turkish kebab, you can also say it. Turkish Adana Kebab. Now we're going to make the kebab. You can just follow the procedure like I'm doing it. Take a foil sheet, or you can also take a stick. I'm using foil sheet. If you have problem that the batter will stick to your hand, you can place oil to your hand, or you can also wear gloves. But wearing gloves make it a little slippery, so it's better to do it without gloves. So I have taken like a tray, or it's an oven tray, and I've placed the stand onto it. I'm gonna place my kebab onto the stand because we needed to place it on the stands so that the kebabs are cooked or baked from each side, and those are completely baked. So that's why I've taken a stand. Now I'm going to place it into the oven for 230 degrees Celsius, and I'm gonna bake it for like 10 minutes. And after that I'm going to flip it out and gonna bake it for more 10 minutes so that the each side is baked quite well, and our kebab are ready to be served and ready to be eaten. So take the foil sheet out of it. If you have stick, you don't need to take it out, but foil sheet like does not represent a good does not give a good representation if you have to place this in front of your guests. So you can just take the foil sheet out and serve in front of your guests with the raita or ketchup or mayonnaise, and also with tortilla wrap, naan or roti. And your guests are absolutely going to love it. Your children are absolutely going to love it. And if you're a food lover and you like to try new recipes or like to try new foods or new country foods, you're absolutely going to love it as well. So try this recipe at home. Do share it with your friends and your family. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any query or you want to give any review about my recipes, comment down below. And remember to subscribe to my channel, and also give a thumbs up if you really like my video. Hit the bell icon as well. Once you're gonna subscribe to my channel, you'll see a bell icon. Hit it and you will be updated on my latest videos. Till then, goodbye. See you in the next video.